Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
On the go. So Jen, where are we? Look at this.
Joe, we have checked in to Grand Destino Towers at Coronado Springs.
Look at that. I love this place. This is one of our favorites now.
I know.
It is just a beautiful hotel. And we were here last year. We stayed here just before the big closure occurred.
Yeah,
But,
literally 2
yeah,
days.
It was very, very cool. Very, very nice. Love it
It
here.
was.
So we're going to show you guys around a little bit and do the room tour and all that good fun stuff.
Yes.
All right.
So
let's
come
go.
along, won't you?
Let's go walk around and show everybody a little bit of the hotel.
Yes. Okay, we're at our room. 9068 on the 10th floor. Oh, Magic Band worked.
All right.
Come on in, Joseph.
Okay, Jennifer. Oof, look at that.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here.
Yes, it is. It's Florida. So you usually always need to have the air on in Florida. So, our room. What do you think of our room?
I love this room. We have stayed here before, right before Disney closed in March, literally right before the closing. And I love it.
Our room, kids. And our view.
Oh, I love it.
It's a room with a view. Such a lovely view. I see your reflection in the window though.
Oh.
Oh, you're
I'll
fine.
look back. I'm gonna take a picture of it anyway.
So, when we were here in March last year, 2020, we were over in this tower. So we were kind of off to this side over here. And this time we are here on this side. But still, amazing view. Amazing view. And there in the distance is Everest, the big old roller coaster, big old Yeti.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this here, just on the center part of the lagoon, is Three Bridges. That is the bar restaurant. I think aptly named because there are three bridges that meet there.
There are.
I only see two though. Is there one on the backside that we can't see? I think we reviewed that last year.
We did. There's 1, 2, and then this is the OG bridge to the right. That's why it's different looking, why it has the lights.
Gotcha. And then there's the little fountain. And here's the courtyard.
This is just a gorgeous view.
Yeah, it is.
I really like it.